Hey everybody, I'm going to spend a little bit of time going over what the flow sheet is for your data table, your flow sheet for your pre-lab is. A lot of these experiments, you'll see a flow sheet as what's going on. And a flow sheet is another thing that doesn't get filled out completely in the pre-lab, but here's what's going to happen. Okay, so what a flow sheet is really just a picture representation of what you're going to do in the lab. So at the top, you're going to do lab. I don't know why my stylus isn't working. Lab 9, cyclohexanone, or whatever lab. Lab 3, lab 4. I don't know if there's a lab 4, but cyclohexanone. Then you're going to do flow sheet. And then you fill this in as you go along. Okay? So it's kind of like a pictorial representation of the reaction process. So you're going to have, for lab 9, you would start off with reaction mixture. And then you're going to do this, and then the process, however you're going to separate it, is going to be here, steam distillation. Okay, because it's the separation. You've already reacted them. Now it's the separation. So then you're going to have H2O layer, and you're going to have the organic layer, and you're going to write what's in the water layer. So this is going to be the salts, any unreacted bleach, bisulfite, etc. In the organic layer, and if you want, you can write what that, and then trace H2O, and now, okay, and now you go here and you're going to be like, okay, that organic layer you're going to wash with water, and then you're going to have an H2O layer and another organic layer. That's going to get rid of the H2O. So it's a picture representation of what happens. Now the supplement that's sold in the bookstore has examples of all of these flow sheets through the whole for all the labs. Now, I recommend that as you're filling out your flow sheet, that you do it as you go along. That way, if you make a mistake, you can compare what should have been done to the flow sheet that you have. Okay? So you don't have to, when you're finished, you don't have to do this and sign, because the next week when you come in, because most labs go multiple weeks, you're going to have to pick up with where you left off, so you don't want to cross anything off at that point. Okay, so that is a flow sheet, and that actually is the whole flow sheet for both the pre-lab and the post-lab, because the post-lab flow sheet is just going to be the rest of the next week's thing. Okay, so that's cool. See ya.